Hi guys, so I did a poll and you guys said for actual videos I should do some editing tutorials, which I also did see the one where I do my gameplays, but let's just say I'm kind of trying to figure out how to get a mic for my PC, yeah, so anyway, let's see, this is the video I recorded. I used for Mia to set off the fireworks. So I did the emote that I had her set off the fireworks. Oh, there we go. I became white for a second. And then for the audio, so let's see, audio extract. Where's the video? I think it was right here. I basically screamed from the video I wanted to play my phone. And I got it from the second ace. You're officially coming with me. I guess I could have mentioned it. You're drunk, all you can drink. Just so if you guys want to see the actual video of the audio. So I find where the audio starts. And I'm gonna clip it. See that? Looking like 4th of July, you're officially coming with me. And the audio ends like right here. Yeah, so that's how you get your audio. And then what I did for like the rainbow effect at the end, which I'll skip. No, I won't skip that. Wait, I don't know what I'm saying. What I was about to say is you are gonna have to add like the beats thing. So if you want, you can do that now. You can press beats and go auto generate. I do auto generate because yeah, I'm not very good at beats. So what I do right here, and then pops up select an emote. I cut that to here. You do cut the video here, to about like before she does like this motion. You're officially coming with me. Basically, just keep cutting it shorter until you get it right. You're officially coming with me. Oh wait, I think I got it. So like around right here, cut it, and then do the pull-in transition right here. I think I do end up cutting it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go check the original one I did, just to make sure I'm doing everything right for you guys. Oh, I did 2 projects. This is the one. Okay. Looking like 4th of July, you're officially coming with me. You're drunk. Alright, I did pull in right there. So make sure I did that right. I'm gonna delete the rest of the clip. So the keys. You see it does like the bass ba sound. Then you're gonna add the. Did I pass it? What? This play pendulum or whatever. You're a drunk girl, you can drink. And I'm gonna slow down my clip to around. I think I remember. I think it was around like. Here. Now I did apply smooth slow-mo, which if you don't have pro or like VIP, I got you, okay? I don't either. But I'll show you what to do in the end. You're a drunk girl, you can drink. Bro, that's going so slow. You're a drunk girl, you can drink. Okay, after we have this, we're gonna go here and we're gonna duplicate the clip, and so we aren't gonna add a transition because then you're gonna press this clip and you're gonna go to all the way down here, reverse. Then I'm pretty sure, did I forget all this? This is what I mean by my brain ain't braining. Anyway, it stopped for reverse. You're a drunk girl, you can drink. Your friends hate and we don't care what they think. So that's what this looks like. So we're gonna press this clip and you're gonna press animation and you're gonna go out, and out will be fade out. And for this one, we'll go animation in and you'll press fade in. Like this. Right now, looking like the 4th of July, you're officially coming with me. Look at that. You're a drunk girl, you can drink. Your friends hate and we don't care what they think. It's like that. And then, alright, here's the beat. Then you're not going to press on anything and you're just going to, because if you go to edit, it'll make you click on the clip. So you don't want to do that. You're just going to scroll over to adjust on the bottom and you are going to press HSL. And then you're going to turn the top one on every single one up. Like this. And then, okay, we're gonna move it over to this clip because we don't want it on that clip. Can I not move it on more? Okay, I guess not. It's alright, it works. We're gonna duplicate and we're gonna move it down each beat. Just like that. And this is what it'll look like. And that's how I did this edit. I need to add the text right here too. Just add text and press the text obviously. And you can say whatever you want. I put welcome to Yuki's firework show. Welcome. I should talk and type at the same time. Jeez. Welcome to Yuki. Return. Jeez. Yuki. Nope. The potato. Yes, I changed my thing to Yuki the potato. Okay. which it might sound surprising because I hate mashed potatoes. My actual favorite food is like miso soup, bro. I eat it all the time that my parents literally bought like 10 things of it from Trader Joe's yesterday. Anyways, oh, let's get back to the video. So I'm talking about miso soup and mashed potatoes. Anyway, I need to add Yukita potatoes. Wait, what? Oh, that's the same thing, but if I go here, oh, I'm dumb. Yukita potatoes, firework show. Like this. And then the font I used was, it's at the top for me. I don't know if it's usually at the top or if it changes because I use this one amount. It's VT323. And then if you want the clear effect, you go into animation and you go loop, and it's this yellow one called image overlay. And I don't know if I didn't mention the game in the beginning, then oh, by the way, if you have this, you can't really do an animation. So what I do is I like make it small. Like really small. Make it get bigger. I was gonna do it sideways, but I think I'll just do it normal. And then you're gonna press the line next to keyframe. By the way, what I had is keyframes at the top next to the undo button. Whoops. I did not mean to press the sign. You're gonna press the little line there. And you are gonna do like I think I do. Yeah. So it looks like this. And then what I did, I added another keyframe. And make sure you don't do anything on the first one, because if you don't on the first one, then I'll do something really fast between these two, and yeah. And just make it smaller. Everything I did in my video. Oh, I think I did add sharpen edges though, and if you want to add more than one effect on these, which I think I add ridge net or ridge steady, however you say that. I don't know. I'll have to see what it. No, I didn't add that. I'll have to see. Yeah, I think I did add this. And then, okay. Let's see here. This one. Now, this is what the final video looks like. Looking like the 4th of July, you're officially coming with me. You got that, you look drunk, all you can drink. You're pretty saying we don't care what they think. I really hope I explained everything. Now that I think about it, I don't know if I explained a lot of it. Looking like the 4th of July, you're officially coming with me. God, I don't know what that. I don't know what. I recorded that. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. Like I really have no idea. I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Oh my gosh, that freaking notification. Yeah, I did screen record that.
You're officially coming with me. Look at that. You look drunk, all you can drink. Your friends hate and we don't care what they think.
Yeah, they just export it.